Listening section. Part 1. Question 1 to 5. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear some dialogues or questions spoken in English. The questions and the dialogues will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book. So you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. After you listen to the dialogue and the question about it, read the 5 possible answers and decide which one would be the best answer to the question you have heard. You will hear, "Sally, I lost my wallet. May I borrow 50,000 rupees?
Sure, here you are.
You will also hear, "What will the woman do?" You will read in your test book. A. Leave the man alone. B. Drive the man home. C. Find the lost wallet. D. Lend the man money.